Hello friends, today we will learn how to use CSS in HTML. Okay, three type of HTML CSS function we are using. Okay, that's mean internal, inline, external. That's mean inline means here is the inline. Okay, style, color, red. This is the inline. Okay, inline, that's mean if you want to make color, background color, it is a style. If you write in tag, that's mean it's a inline CSS. If you want to, okay, if you write here is h1 color again, that's mean internal CSS. Okay, that's mean it's internal CSS. If you want to use external CSS, then you should write a link. Okay, what? It's a style sheet CSS. Okay, just you should write one CSS class, and here is color blue. Okay, so type of inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. I hope you like these videos. If you like these videos, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.